Introduction. Mars, the red planet, has fascinated humanity for centuries. From ancient astronomers gazing at its reddish hue to modern scientists sending robotic explorers, Mars has always been a source of wonder and intrigue. As we look toward the future, the exploration and potential colonization of Mars present a series of milestones that will mark humanity's journey into the next great frontier. This vision of Mars exploration outlines 20 key milestones, projected up to the year 2125, encompassing technological advancements, human missions, and the establishment of sustainable colonies. The Mars 2030 mission, pioneering human presence. In 2030, the first crewed mission to Mars is launched, marking a historic achievement in human space exploration. This mission, a collaboration between NASA, ESA, and private space companies like SpaceX, aims to land astronauts on the Martian surface. The mission's objectives include gathering samples, conducting scientific research, and testing the technologies necessary for long-term human presence on Mars. The astronauts spend 30 days on the surface, collecting soil and rock samples and conducting experiments that will pave the way for future missions. Establishing Mars Base Alpha, the first permanent habitat. By 2035, the first permanent habitat on Mars, named Mars Base Alpha, is established. This base is built using a combination of prefabricated modules and in-situ resource utilization (ISRU) technologies, which convert Martian materials into building supplies. Mars Base Alpha is designed to support a crew of 6 astronauts for extended missions. It includes living quarters, laboratories, greenhouses for food production, and life support systems. The base serves as a hub for scientific research and a stepping stone for further exploration. Advancements in propulsion technology, reducing travel time. In 2040, significant advancements in propulsion technology dramatically reduced travel time between Earth and Mars. The development of nuclear thermal propulsion, NTP, and advanced ion drives allow spacecraft to make the journey in just 3 months, compared to the previous 6 to 9 months. These advancements not only make crewed missions safer and more efficient but also enable more frequent resupply missions, ensuring a steady flow of resources and equipment to Mars Base Alpha. Robotic manufacturing and construction, building the Mars colony. By 2045, robotic manufacturing and construction technologies revolutionize the process of building infrastructure on Mars. Autonomous robots, equipped with 3D printing capabilities, use local materials to construct new habitats, laboratories, and even roads. This technology reduces the need for transporting construction materials from Earth and allows for rapid expansion of the Mars colony. The robots also assist in mining activities, extracting valuable resources from the Martian soil. The Mars Agricultural Initiative, growing food on Mars. In 2050, the Mars Agricultural Initiative achieves a breakthrough in sustainable food production on Mars. Using advanced hydroponic and aeroponic systems, scientists successfully grow a variety of crops, including vegetables, fruits, and grains, in the Martian environment. This achievement significantly reduces the colony's dependence on food supplies from Earth and ensures a stable and diverse diet for the inhabitants. The greenhouses also help generate oxygen and regulate humidity, contributing to a more habitable environment. The Mars University, educating the next generation. By 2060, the Mars University is established, offering education and research opportunities in fields such as planetary science, engineering, and astrobiology. This institution attracts students and researchers from Earth, fostering a new generation of scientists and engineers dedicated to Mars exploration and colonization. The Mars University also collaborates with educational institutions on Earth, facilitating the exchange of knowledge and expertise. The first Mars-born, a new generation. In 2065, a significant milestone is reached as the first child is born on Mars. This event symbolizes the beginning of a new generation of humans who will call Mars their home. The successful birth is the result of years of research and preparation, addressing the unique challenges of childbirth and early development in the Martian environment. The Mars-born generation will grow up with a unique perspective, shaping the future of the Martian colony. The Mars Space Elevator, revolutionizing transport. By 2070, the construction of a space elevator on Mars revolutionizes transportation between the Martian surface and orbit. The elevator, made possible by advancements in materials science, uses a tether anchored to the surface and extending to a counterweight in space. This technology drastically reduces the cost and energy required to transport people and cargo to and from Mars orbit, facilitating more frequent and efficient missions. The space elevator also serves as a launch platform for missions to other destinations in the solar system. The Mars Climate Project, Terraforming begins. In 2075, the Mars Climate Project begins the ambitious task of terraforming Mars to create a more Earth-like environment. The project focuses on warming the planet, increasing atmospheric pressure, and introducing water. Techniques include releasing greenhouse gases, such as perfluorocarbons, and deploying orbital mirrors to reflect sunlight onto the surface. While terraforming Mars will take centuries, these initial steps aim to make the planet more hospitable for future generations. The Mars Research Network, Global Collaboration. By 2080, the Mars Research Network is established, connecting research stations and habitats across the planet. This network, supported by a robust communication infrastructure, enables real-time data sharing and collaboration among scientists and engineers. The Mars Research Network facilitates large-scale scientific studies, including the search for past or present life on Mars, geological surveys, and climate monitoring. It also enhances the safety and coordination of exploration missions. The Martian economy, self-sufficiency and trade. In 2085, the Martian economy begins to take shape, with the colony achieving a high degree of self-sufficiency. Local industries, such as mining, manufacturing, and agriculture, thrive, reducing dependence on Earth for essential supplies. The colony also engages in trade with Earth, exporting valuable resources like rare metals and isotopes unique to Mars. This economic development supports the continued growth and sustainability of the Martian colony. The Mars Cultural Renaissance, Arts and Society. By 2090, a cultural renaissance emerges on Mars, as inhabitants develop a distinct Martian identity and culture. Art, music, literature, and other forms of creative expression flourish, reflecting the unique experiences and challenges of life on Mars. The Mars Cultural Center is established, hosting exhibitions, performances, and festivals that celebrate Martian culture. This cultural development fosters a sense of community and belonging among the inhabitants, further solidifying their connection to their new home. The Mars Science Council, Governance and Policy. In 2095, the Mars Science Council is formed to govern the growing Martian colony and oversee scientific research and exploration. Comprising representatives from various nations and organizations involved in Mars exploration, the Council establishes policies and regulations to ensure the responsible use of resources and the protection of the Martian environment. The Council also coordinates international efforts to explore and study Mars, promoting collaboration and peaceful coexistence. The Mars Biodome Project, Expanding Habitats. By 2100, the Mars Biodome Project is launched, creating large, self-sustaining habitats that can support hundreds of inhabitants. These biodomes use advanced life support systems, including air and water recycling, and incorporate green spaces and recreational areas. The biodomes provide a comfortable living environment, protecting inhabitants from the harsh Martian conditions. This project marks a significant step toward establishing larger and more diverse communities on Mars. The Mars Energy Grid, Sustainable Power. In 2105, the Mars Energy Grid is completed, providing a reliable and sustainable power supply for the entire colony. The grid integrates various renewable energy sources, such as solar, wind, and geothermal power, to meet the growing energy demands of the expanding colony. Advanced energy storage systems ensure a stable power supply, even during periods of low energy production. The Mars Energy Grid supports the continued growth and development of the colony, enabling more ambitious projects and activities. The Mars Phobos Spaceport, Expanding Horizons. By 2110, the Mars Phobos Spaceport is established on Mars' moon Phobos, serving as a gateway for missions to other destinations in the solar system. The spaceport includes facilities for spacecraft refueling, maintenance, and crew transfer. Its strategic location in Phobos' low gravity allows for more efficient launches and landings. The Mars-Phobos spaceport facilitates exploration missions to the asteroid belt, the moons of Jupiter and Saturn, and beyond, positioning Mars as a hub for interplanetary exploration. The Mars Medical Center, advancing healthcare? In 2115, the Mars Medical Center is established, providing advanced healthcare services to the Martian population. The center includes research facilities dedicated to studying the effects of long-term space habitation on human health and developing treatments for space-related health issues. Telemedicine and robotic surgery technologies enable specialists from Earth to assist in complex medical procedures. The Mars Medical Center ensures the well-being of the colony's inhabitants and contributes to the overall health and safety of future space explorers. The Mars Democracy, establishing governance. By 2120, the Mars Democracy is established, with a constitution and a democratic government elected by the Martian inhabitants. This government is responsible for making decisions on local issues, such as resource management, environmental protection, and public services. The Mars Democracy represents the interests of the Martian population and ensures that their voices are heard in the governance of their new home. This milestone marks the transition of Mars from a scientific outpost to a self-governing society. The Mars-Earth Union, strengthening ties. In 2123, the Mars-Earth Union is formed, strengthening the political, economic, and cultural ties between Mars and Earth. This union facilitates cooperation in areas such as trade, research, and defense, ensuring mutual support and collaboration. The Mars-Earth Union also promotes the exchange of knowledge and resources, benefiting both planets and enhancing their collective ability to address global challenges. The Mars Legacy, inspiring the future. By 2125, Mars has become a thriving and vibrant society, inspiring future generations to continue exploring the cosmos. The achievements and experiences of the Martian colony serve as a testament to human ingenuity, resilience, and the unyielding spirit of exploration. The Mars Legacy includes the stories of the pioneers who first set foot on the Red Planet, the scientific discoveries that have expanded our understanding of the universe, and the cultural developments that have enriched human civilization. As humanity looks to the stars, Mars stands as a beacon of possibility and a reminder of what we can achieve when we dare to dream. Conclusion. The journey to Mars and the milestones achieved along the way represent a remarkable chapter in human history. From the first crewed missions and the establishment of permanent habitats to the development of a self-sustaining Martian society, these milestones reflect our collective aspiration to explore and inhabit new worlds. As we look to the future, the exploration of Mars will continue to push the boundaries of science, technology, and human potential, inspiring generations to come. By 2125, Mars will not only be a testament to our achievements but also a stepping stone to the vast possibilities that lie beyond.